Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Let us see the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 Advanced Price Action Based Indicator. Yesterday's performance, that is 28/11/2022 in crude oil. So whenever you open the market before you trading, what you have to do? Come to the indicator settings. Here at the top left you will find the default mode and save as default. So you have to give a reset settings before you start trading for the day. And next thing, once the market has opened, so now the market will be opening now. I'm going to do bar replay button. Once the market is started, we will be getting these 5 lines. Top side 2 lines will be getting and bottom side 2 lines we will be getting. Whenever market is above the middle line, we have to search for any price action pattern if you want to trade based on the trend. If you want to trade only based on this tool, then you have to wait for the market to reach either the upper level first or the bottom level first. The upper level we are calling it as supply zone and the bottom level we are calling it as demand zone. We have also mentioned as first buy, second sell and first sell, second buy. So these two togetherly called as a zone. Whichever side it comes to first, that side only we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. Don't forget, other side we have to ignore. One day only one trade, book the profit or lost the profit, exit from the market. If you book the profit, enjoy. If you have booked the loss, don't worry, you can take the reversal entry and you can recover loss of the day. Don't keep on trading whenever it is giving more number of signals. So it is not advisable as a beginner. Once you have made a sufficient profit from this market, then you can take more risk. So there is no restriction for that. So now as a beginner, minimum for 3 months you have to trade only one trade per day. First target and exit from the market, or you can book at the central pivot point. Our CPP level is there, IIT1 DCP. So in that you can book, that is a brown color line. So now let me run the market for you for the day 28/11/2022. Now market has opened gap down. Okay, now the market has opened gap down and we have got buy level and sell level. So now how to trade now? See here, the first candle has opened very big red candle and immediately we have got one more candle. Now we have to wait the market, we have to wait for the market to close this level. Okay, if you want to trade based on the price action. Otherwise, based on our tool, what you have to do, we have to wait for the entry. Our first buy entry will be at 6060 and our first sell entry will be 6163. So whichever side it comes first, only that side we have to trade. We have to be patient till that time. So now market has not reached either side. So I am waiting for the market with the advanced pending order at 6060 buy order and 6163 sell order with a stop loss of 6041 for buy entry and 6182 for the sell entry. So now it is nearing to my buy entry, but the low mid was 6066. So there was a difference of 6 points, so I will not go for the entry. If there is a difference of 3 points, then I can go for the buy entry immediately in the next candle. Whichever low comes, that low I will take. So now as of now, no buy is activated, no sell is activated. I am waiting. So next one, I am waiting for the market to reach either level. Whichever side it comes, I will take. Otherwise, I will simply wait for the entry. Yeah. So now we got the entry at 330. The low made was 6060. So that you can see here. What is the low? So here you see the low was exactly 6060 and our buy entry also exactly 6060. So when we got to know that why we have to buy at 6060, around 9:30 to 9:20, after 9:20 we got to know that when it reaches 6060 we have to buy, otherwise you have to simply wait for the market. Okay, we got immediately the entry and see the miracle. So once buy or sell is activated, what you have to do, come to this indicator settings, come here, scroll down, scroll down. If you scroll down here, you will be finding first buy entry, first buy targets, and first buy SL. So this is the basic version I'm showing you. The same thing is there in the advanced version except the market type. So market type we have given extra. All others are same. So in the premium version we have extra features, that is extra market type. So here see, now it has touched and immediately in the next 15 minutes candle, two targets has been hit. Two targets has been hit. Now you are asking what to do. Suppose if the market is coming down again at 6060, shall I take the entry? We are telling don't miss the first entry. If you are missing the first entry, better you can avoid the trade. Otherwise, if you want to trade, then our software is valid. The entries are valid for the entire day. Either buy or sell is activated until the SL hit. Until the SL hit, the buy entry is valid. Similarly, if the sell is activated until the SL hit, the sell entry is valid. Even the next time when it comes to the sell entry or buy entry, that time also it is valid. But we are suggesting as a beginner, please trade only one trade per day. Don't keep on trading and don't lose your capital. First double your capital, then take out whatever you invested in your account, then trade in your profit. So first you have to build your confidence level so that you don't have to forget. So once again it is coming down. Yeah, it is coming down. Then it is going up. Two targets second time also hit. Third target also hit, and it is still going upper side. Now yesterday one customer asked me, sir, after booking the three targets, so if the market is going only in the bullish side, now how can I get more profit? How can I book the more profit? So if you want to know the levels, so the levels are given here. Come here in the target, you just keep normal targets or big targets, or you can keep big two targets also. So in the big two target, all the three targets have been hit perfectly. So from 6060 to 6355, around 300 points we got the profit, 255 points perfectly we got the profit. Now how to catch the entire momentum? How to catch the entire momentum? The first technique is come down. So here we have given some moving averages 21 and 50. Unless the candles are not closed below these two lines, you can be in a buy entry. See here, we got the buy entry here at 6060, but that time based on the technique, the market was in a bearish trend. Only here at 645 only, market is getting a trend towards the bullish. Around 6130 only, we are getting the buy entry as per the trend. But our software has shown you before the trend has changed. That is exact low we have got. So unless it is not closed below this two line, you can be in a buy trade. This is one technique. Another technique, come here and change to Heikin-Ashi mode. Heikin-Ashi mode. Now unless the any candles low open equal to low candles low is broken, you can stay on a sell buy trend. See here, this candle low is not broken, low has to break and it has to close below that level. Okay, that you should not forget. This candle low is not broken, this candle low is not broken. So unless the low is not broken, you can be in a buy trend. Similarly for the sell trend, these are the extra additional tricks. See, in as per the Heikin Ashi, the buy entry was 6054 and you see the low, it is 6054. Exactly the low also we have got using the Heikin Ashi method, but we are trading based on the normal candle. To find out the trend continuation, we can use this Heikin Ashi mode. It is very simple. Whenever you see the green candle, you stay on the buy trend. Whenever you see the red candle breaking the green candle low, you have to exit from the market. This technique you can follow. Then what is the other techniques we have? Yeah, in this version only, yeah, MST trend zone is there. This trend zone indicates what is the trend of the market in a positional mode. So you can change it to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, everything. So today market has closed above this level. If the market has breached the yesterday's high, that is 6385, today you mark this, then market will go only in the bullish side. If the market has closed below this level, what is the level? 6300, 6308. This one. Here I am marking this based on the close price. 6308. So now there is a range now. Today if the market is opening above this level, then more bullish is expected. If the market is opening below this 6310 and it is not going beyond this 6355, then we can expect the fall, because as per the 15 minutes the trend zone is resisting the market to go in a bullish mode. So like this we have given various options, so whichever you want that you can follow, so which is there in the basic version. Okay, in the basic version we have given. Now when we come to the advanced version, that is the premium version, come here and give reset setting. Same thing you will find, there will be no changes in the basic methodology. The only thing extra features what we have given here is the market type, this one. So here you can trade in the afternoon, evening, night, late night, even forex also you can trade. So many options we have given. So if you want the basic version, that also you can use. If you want the advanced version, that also you can use. For advanced version, you have to pay extra. For basic version, retail amount is charged. So hope this is clear. Thank you all for watching our video. If there is any doubts, please ask us, and before asking us, please watch the video without any hesitation. Don't think that you are expecting us to explain you everything over a phone call. It is very difficult for us to give the explanation for each and every one over the phone. That's why we are recording the video. Everything is mentioned step by step. Everything is mentioned step by step. Please follow it. For any doubts, you can message us only after watching the video. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.